Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're looking at 8.6, turn it around. So for this first part, we're doing a little bit of a review of circles. So use the given information to write the equation of the circle in standard form. So remember, equation of a circle is x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared, where h and k are the center. So for this first one, we'd have x plus 5 squared plus y plus 8 squared. Radius is 11, so 11 squared is 121. So same idea for these others. For 2, find the distance between 6 and 2 and 6, 0 and 2, negative 4, and then find the midpoint between them. That'll find you your center and your radius. For this one, find the distance between the 2 points, your center and the point given. And for 4, you're looking at this one right here. All right, for the next part, we are looking at equations of horizontal parabolas. So we haven't seen any of these before. Horizontal is your keyword for this lesson. So use the focus, point M, and a point on the parabola, and the equation of the directrix to sketch the parabola. Label your points and write the equation. Put your equation in the form x equals 1/4 p times y minus k squared plus h, where p is the distance from the focus to the directrix. So we're going to do this first one here. Our focus is 1, 0, so 1, 0. Our point is 1, 4, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Our directrix is x equals negative 3, so 1, 2, 3. It's going to be this line right here. So from our directrix to our focus, we're 1, 2, 3, 4. So half of that would be 2. So there is our vertex. And so then 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is going to be our other point. Draw the curve of this. Like I said, this is a horizontal parabola, so now it's opening up to the side, so it's opening either left or right. So that's the interesting thing about these. But everything works kind of the same exact way. Just be careful in how you write it. So x equals 1/4 times 2, because our p-value is 2, times y minus, see, our y value is 0, squared plus h is negative 1. So our actual equation is, oops, not y. I'm so used to y equals x equals 1/8 y squared minus 1. So there's our equation. So same idea for 6, 7, and 8. You'll be doing that. All right. The next section, if this will move too far. Okay, identifying key features of a quadratic written in vertex form. The coordinates of the vertex, the equation of the axis of symmetry, the domain, and the range for each function. So for A, the coordinates of the vertex, we have 3, 5. B, the equation for the axis of symmetry is x equals 3. Remember, that's always whatever the x value of your vertex is. For C, it's going to be negative infinity to infinity. And for D, it's going to be 5 to infinity, because 5 is the vertex at the lowest point it will ever be. So same idea for the rest of these. Be careful about which direction the equation is going. If it's negative, that'll affect things a little bit. So like on 12, our vertex is, oops, not negative, is 3/4, 4/5. Our axis of symmetry is x equals 3/4. Our domain is from negative infinity to infinity, but our range is the one that's affected. Our range is going to be from negative infinity to 4/5, because now that 4/5 is the maximum value because there's a negative on the 3, okay? All right, if you guys have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a wonderful day.